Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make entire text capital letters in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Affinity Publisher document and we take some text and some pages. Now we want to make this all text capital letters. Firstly, click inside the text box, then click and drag on our mouse to select all text, then click right button on our mouse and we can see here the capitalization option. Then we go to this and check mark on the uppercase, then click outside of the text box and we can see we make all text are capitalized. You can change this again. Select this all text, then click right button on our mouse and select capitalization. Then you can apply any style like small caps, all caps, lower caps, uppercase, double case, etc. Now I select this lowercase. Now we can see we make all text capitalize very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.